Let's see 周 zhi and o 周，independently or standing alone form 就是独立态，它的意思就是禁止 to stop to forbid。OK 字头 at the beginning 周 is a long o double o。OK 周 by OK 就是作罢的意思 to stop forget it 意思是 OK so this is at the beginning. In the middle, a very common word is ojoraku. Ojo, this is jo in the middle. Ojo, ra, and ko. Rako means don't. Okay, 它的意思是不可以 it's not permitted. Or you don't agree. Ojo rako 不同意 Okay. This is a 周 and then 周 in the end 后周 okay so 和 o 后 and then 之 o 周你看它都是往上走的哈都是往上走的 okay it goes up 后周就是美丽啊漂亮啊 beautiful pretty or 和卓 is kind of a Muslim rank 是一种穆斯林的头衔在清代和卓Alright, let's look at 猪，支吾猪。You repeat 周 put a dot， 就是这个猪。OK，猪independently, it is for translating 猪 is kind of a musical instrument， 是一种木质的乐器。At the beginning, for example, 主色 ，OK，you put 猪 here, and then you put two dots, OK， 这个是猪。然后这个是色主色，就是小孩子啊 ，little children。In the middle, let's see, 和吾乎 and then 猪猪 ，this is 猪 in the middle， 虎猪木壁 ，OK， 虎猪木壁，是那个俯趴在地上，就是那种五体投地的那种样子，prostrate，OK，猪 in the end。就是那个安猪 ，OK， 安 and 之物猪，这就是猪的结尾的形态 ，OK， 是荤菜 dishes with meat。Let's see 做 ，OK， then 之 and 卧 ，this is a 做，之卧做 ，OK。So I really can't think of something. Let me see. Yeah. For example, 桌西。桌西 be table be be 这个是 t 一个圈加一个牙哈 t beat 喝一念作 be包 包 long o OK boo 这个是朱四书院在山东省的曲阜，就是 is for translating 朱四 OK 朱四书院，OK， 这个书就是比太书的，然后这个包就是院。